So I set up the top on between those two trees and checked and the hammock wouldn't reach. The hammock does reach between those two trees though, using this special stick. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It's ridiculously windy. You'll have seen me setting up the hammock and the tarp. I've had to give up on that now. I just can't get the tarp to go up. The ground's too soft, and the tarp just keeps coming out. So if it does rain in the night, I'm going to get soaking wet in that hammock. The hammock's still up. You can sort of see it in the background there. Of course the sun's coming out now. Where we've picked, for some reason, seems to be windier than everywhere else. But there we go. Yeah, I haven't filmed a lot. I've just put my little tent up now, my little wedge tent. You'll have seen that before, with a new bedroll in it. So we're trying that out. It's quite windy, so we're trying that out, and we'll see how that goes. I like to try out new stuff. But yeah, it's ridiculously windy, so there's going to be a lot of wind noise, unfortunately, which is going to be a shame. I'll try and do some filming whenever I can. But yeah, it's not ideal conditions. Gonna give the new twig stove a burn. I think we got it. Oh, that was hard work. Oh, we got fire. We've got something. Quite moldy. Oh dear. Yeah, it's a bit punky, I think is the term.
So we gotta go to the other tree, get food, go back to our questions, and we're starting at 8.
Oh, you got a quiz tonight?
Yeah.
You need to decide what size chips you're going to have now. Do you want the skinny ones?
Just chunks, I think. Let's put some cooking oil on. Well, actually, I should probably just put this on and get it heating up ready. There we go. Sorry. There we go, I've put it on. Just to get it nice and warm. Because I'm going to make some chips. And some steak. What do you think about that?
What's that accent?
I don't know. It won't come up anyway because of the noise. This is a good knife. I'm sort of toying with the idea now of doing them cubed.
Oh yeah, okay.
No, we'll stick with the chips. I just don't know how I'm going to turn them all around afterwards.
Keep that moving is really good.
Yeah. Maybe I should crack a beer while I'm cooking. But then I've only got 3. Oh, go on then. just had a cup of tea. Actually, I should probably include this. We needed more heat, so I've gone underneath rather than on top. But for now, the steak is going on. There we go. My burnt chips, no! Of course, now there's fire underneath my meat, so I might have to... Yeah, it might be flame grilled at this rate.
Yeah.
I'm going to butter that up. I think it's time.
Yeah. This is going to be like one of those Marks and Spencer's adverts now as the butter melts on the steak.
Do you reckon that's cooked?
I do actually, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That was quick. Right, let that rest. Second. Oh, nice. Oh, that smells good. Got these dangly bits that are likely to fall in my food. I'd like to say cooked to perfection, but let's be honest, it's burnt in places. There we go, let's have the piece of the resistance over there. Chips are a bit raw in the middle.
How can they be raw? They're black.
Black on the outside. Well, that was, to be fair, that was a paler one. Let's go with one of the black ones.
Yeah.
Well done.
That's good. Yeah, that'll taste good.
It looks like that mountain is like burst into flame like a volcano. It's ridiculous.
Oh wow, that looks amazing.
Oh. I don't think it's going to last for long. Before those clouds come back in, yeah. I know, because it rained and I just realised what I look like. I look like some sort of homeless person. I was just saying to Graham, I haven't told everybody that I'm out here camping with Graham at all, so I'll do that now.
Hi, I'm Graham.
Hello, Graham!
Hello. Yeah, I've been the voice in the background all day.
Yeah, I don't know what I did there. Sorry, Graham. Graham's cooking his burgers. AdZ and Steph were here earlier as well. Now they told us they weren't going to stay over, but I'm not sure. You might have heard their voices in the background, depending on the footage I use. But they came out to try out some of their equipment, and honestly, it has been the worst day to try out stuff because it's just been so windy. I mean, it's eased off a little now, we hope, but yeah, it's I mean, the hammock went up okay. You were a bit dubious about how I managed to yeah, you didn't think it would survive the night with my twig. The tarp though, the tarp wasn't having any of it, just flapping around. The pegs were coming straight out of the ground. Yeah, I just need better pegs really, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
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 But I've got my trusty, tried and tested hiking wedge tent, just for one, with the new sleeping bag in there. And Graham's using his, I don't actually know what it's called, but he always uses it.
Nemo Galaxy.
Say that again?
Nemo Galaxy.
Nemo Galaxy. Ooh.
Yes.
Yeah, so what else failed? Oh yeah, the twig stove. I couldn't get it lit. Luckily though, we managed to get the fire going. I'll do the twig stove again another time. It needs burning because it's still got some of that blue stuff on it. You know when the metal work gets all wrapped up in blue for some reason? I don't know why they do that. But yeah, Tom was going to join us last time. He just caught the end of the last time we were here. If you're wondering who the guy with the motorbike helmet was who turned up on Sunday morning, that was Tom. He said he might be able to make it tonight, but he's got prior engagements, so he's gonna be a no-show, I think. And to be honest, I don't blame him. It's not the best of weather, but we're doing all right now. Gray's ready to eat his food. His burgers are done. I've had my steak and chips. Just going to enjoy beer number 3, Latitude, which is a pale ale. Hoppy. I quite like them. I haven't had any for a while, so this is good. This is good to have some beer. But yeah, I'm wearing my rain jacket because it has spit a little bit, but mostly it's to keep the wind off because it is quite cold, even though it's like early September. Autumn is definitely coming, and well, it feels like it's here.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming, and so am I. Sean Bean, away! I won't use that. But yeah, I probably will now. Yeah, so we've moved underneath these trees. I chose here because that is about the only place around here to hang a hammock that isn't over the river. So yeah, it's a little bit more boggy here, to be honest. But yeah, it's all right. I don't know. Next time, well, we'll decide next time, I suppose. But it might be nice to go back to the old spot, the one that we did the winter camping in. There are some trees there that I could hang a hammock, I reckon, as well. So that's good. The hammock that I've got there, the straps, there's no adjustment in distance, so your trees have to be pretty much the right width. I'll have to look into that. But for now, I am going to crack open this beer and sit in front of the fire for a bit because it feels like it's all been go since we got here. So that'll be quite nice, and I'll catch you a bit later, hopefully, when it's dark. Oh! Oh, this is carrying it a bit.
Oh my god.
Wow, this is vastly different in flavour to the last drink. Pale ale.
Barbecue sauce, mate.
Oh, you've had some. Good.
Yeah.
Good. We're lit up by the fire. We've just been playing around with torches because that's what we do. I'm trying to find the light on this so I can do my. There we go. Oh god, that's a bit bright. Can we go for the lower one? Is that lower? Hang on. There we go. We've got a bit of recording light going on. Oh, is that the moon behind us? I think it might be. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, so where's Graham? I can't see you, Graham.
Hello.
Just using my little recording light, which I'm having to hold in my hands. We're not going to trek too far because look, the fire. And also, that I think that might be the moon. That's very bright. I like it. Maybe I don't need this. There's a bat flapping around up there. But it's only 8:30. But like I say, we've been playing around with torches and stuff, and I'm not sure. If the rain comes, I think we're just going to make a mad dash and go into our respective tents. Yeah. But I really wanted to have a hot chocolate, but I was going to wait until probably 10 o'clock. I don't think it's going to get much darker than this, Gray.
No, it might not.
I think this is going to be it.
Yeah.
That's good. Do you know what? I'm gonna put this on now just to say goodnight, and I will see you in the morning. The only thing you're going to miss is more chatting, looking at the sky, and hot chocolate. But I think I'm going to put the recording light away now because, well, work out how to turn it off with one hand. I don't think I can. There we go. Right, it's off. Because that, I think, is the moon. Is going to be over there. I don't know. I haven't got the app to tell me. There's the house over there. We've got a lovely roaring fire. I don't think we'll need the torches, will we?
No. It's got a nice glow to it.
It has, and the bat's just gone past again. I'll film it this way because it's also light over there. Although you can't see me now. If I stand, I'm standing in the twigs. If I stand over here, then we've got a bit of the fire. My arm's in the way. We've got a bit of the fire going, but you might just see the bat flying past. Oh, he's not going to come now, is he? Oh. Yeah, I think I got him there in a bit.
Right to left.
Oh yeah, he's just gone back. I'd like him to do another lap though. Come out. There.
Yeah.
Good morning. The sun's coming up. I'm going to go get some more sticks so we can start a fire. It rained quite heavily in the night. Everything's very wet. Oh. That's breakfast for today. And I have a cup of coffee. Water's on the boil. Graham's having a cup of coffee. Coffee. This lighting is amazing. Yeah, so as with many times, so we've done the camp, we've stayed overnight. It's morning now to prove it. And we're just having a little campfire just so that we can have some hot drinks, and I want my porridge, and then I think we're probably going to pack up and go. I don't imagine we're going to hang about, are we, too long?
I wouldn't have thought so, no.
No. Much nicer day today though, shamefully. Oh, I could put that hammock up. I won't. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, which will be along one of these edges somewhere at some point, if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!